today we are going to make feijoada. Should I call it beans casserole? I don't know. Leave in a comment the correct name to say feijoada. Anyway, it's beans with chicken, with sausage and some vegetables. Stay with me till the end of this video. I will show you the step-by-step of this feijoada and I'm sure you will love this recipe. So let's get started. Hey guys, one more recipe here in our channel. I'm Sibel from Food and Tips and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so today we are going to make a feijoada. I will need some sausage, you can use the one you like. Here I have chicken breast, I already seasoned it. I put some paprika, garlic powder, black pepper and a little bit of olive oil. So it's very well seasoned and it will bring a very nice flavor to our feijoada. Here I have some carrots. I will use one potato, garlic and onion. I have some cabbage as well. They are washed with water and vinegar very well. So make sure that you wash the leaves very well, the front and the back of the leaves as well, because sometimes you have some bugs and we don't want that in our recipe. I will use as well tomato sauce. I choose the one that is no salt added. Here I have a curly parsley, amazing. Let me just show you something real quick. I have a video that I show you how to cook the dry beans. I cook the beans, I select the ones that I'm going to use to make this recipe and the rest I froze. I put the dates right here. Next time when I want to make some recipe, I have this one already made.
Each person and each culture has its own way of making feijoada. You can make it with any meat you prefer.
God bless.
I will show you my way of making feijoada. So watch now the step by step. Guys, for me, feijoada has to have sausage, I mean chorizo. But here where I live in the United States, I didn't find chorizo like the one we have in Portugal, unfortunately. So I used only sausage. As you see before, I put 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So now I'm going to add the ingredients, little by little.
Alright, let's put the chicken. Now I will add just the carrots. The garlic. This real quick. Alright guys, you can put you don't need to do that. Okay, perfect. I seasoned the chicken with salt as well. Now we are going to put more salt. A half teaspoon of salt. I think I'm going to need more, but we don't want this to be too salty. Salt is not good for our health. I'm going to put more paprika. Put as much you want. Paprika is nice because it brings a very good flavor and color to our recipe. Look at this. This is so easy to make.
Guys, as some of you know, I'm new here on YouTube and you're like, it's very important to support my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, that helped me a lot. If you want to receive all my videos, please activate the bell. Thank you so much for supporting me.
Alright, so now we are going to add the potato and we're going to add the cabbage as well. The beans is the last ingredient to add because the beans are already cooked. We don't want to make a mashed beans casserole. The flavor is delicious. What we are going to do here now, we are just going to put the water. Just the water. That's enough.
All the amounts I'm using here in this recipe are optional. If you want to make a large quantity, just double the ingredients. If you want to make less quantity, just use 2 or 3 ladles of cooked beans. Alright, I'm going to freeze the rest of the beans because I didn't use all of them.
Delicious.
So now let it boil.
I'm going to cover it. A little more of paprika, it's optional. And also I'm going to add a little bit of curry. It's perfect. Just a little bit, it's enough. But just mix everything and let cook very slowly. Now everything is already cooked. You don't need to have a crazy flame in case you have flame in your stove. And that's it. So guys, leave in a comment if you liked this feijoada. Don't forget to drink a lot of water. Take care of yourself. See you next video. Ciao!